how to use their products is the spray, wipe and buff approach. So there's a couple of top tips to get the most from your products. I want you to think of the spray, wipe and buff approach like your cleanse, tone and moisturize that you would be doing on your skin. You can do maybe one of those things, the cleanse, the tone or the moisturize, and your skin will look okay. But if you did all three of them in order, following the manufacturer's instructions, your skin will become more radiant. The same goes for all of your household and kitchen surfaces. Spray the product for a moment and leave for the amount of time required to let it break down any grease or debris. A little bit like your cleanser. Then wipe to remove with a damp cloth. Before you finish, buff to a high shine. This allows your surfaces to be the very best that they can be and look much more radiant. I promise you, feeling the surface after completing these 3 simple steps will make you go wow. It is a very tactile experience and very addictive.